Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. I'm in Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, and it's so hot outside that I don't have appetite for anything but good salad. And I'll show you together with Tamada how to make the favorite Georgian salad made of tomatoes of the season, cucumbers and fresh herbs. And you see, I prepared a big bowl because what I will be doing, I'll actually show you two different versions of tomato and cucumber salads. I will start with peeling the cucumbers. The cucumbers of the season, they are delicious. They are so tasty and fresh. And throw into the mixing bowl. Now tomatoes. And I will cut them in wedges because that's how Georgians do. Just do it this way. Cut off the center, the core, we don't need that. And then just cut in wedges like that. This is the salad we Georgians are never tired of eating. We can eat it almost every day. But of course only in season, because these tomatoes come only in season, you know, they are so tasty and sweet. Now onions, and for this salad I typically use red onions, but of course yellow onions are okay too, and we will be slicing them lengthwise. Now take the onions and add to the salad, but slightly, press them. Chop green bell pepper of this season. If you don't have green bell pepper, you can always chop red or whatever bell pepper you have. And add to the mixing bowl. We already have cucumbers and tomatoes and onions in it, so now bell pepper, and Georgians love bell peppers. Now red or green chili pepper or both. The fresh chili peppers, they add, freshness to any dish, especially to the salad, but try them because they may be too hot. So one version we will make mama papuri tomato and cucumber salad, as Georgians call it. Mama papuri means like rustic style, like you make for your family, for your home. First I'll finish mama papuri by adding some parsley. Again, for this salad we don't really measure, we just cut, chop fresh herbs, the ones we like. So onions go to the bowl. Now let's cut some purple basil, which is one of the favorite herbs in Georgia. Purple basil, green onions and parsley. So my salad is actually ready. This one, it's so easy. All I have to do is to add salt to taste, and then I will be adding unrefined sunflower oil from Kakheti, and it has amazing aroma. So of course the oil you can add to your taste. And some people, they also add a little bit of vinegar, but I prefer this salad without any vinegar, just the unrefined sunflower oil. And now mix and enjoy. So our tomato and cucumber salad, mama papuri or just regular tomato and cucumber salad, is ready. This is the second version I told you about. See, I didn't put parsley here because I will be putting cilantro. So I chopped cilantro and now I'm adding cilantro to this salad. So you see the differences in fresh herbs. So the fresh herbs which went to tomato and cucumber and walnut salad is cilantro and purple basil. I put chili pepper here, so I'm not going to put black pepper, but you can. My walnuts are in the chopper. I will add 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and then half teaspoon of salt, and I will grind the walnuts with garlic and salt to make the walnut sauce. Let's check on the walnut paste, and you see I need real paste. So I will be adding a little bit of water because it will help me to grind the walnuts. Add spices, marigold, blue fenugreek and kinzi, coriander. and a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. My salad is ready. All I need to do now is to add walnut paste. That's my salad, so all I have to mix the salad and then taste for salt and vinegar. We are not putting any vegetable oil in this salad. All we will be putting is the vinegar, but of course according to your taste. Or I can add the walnut paste on top. Look, like that. When you mix well this salad, it will be time to taste for salt. These are delicious summer salads. One is tomato and cucumber salad, which you can enjoy with any type of meal or just by its lunch in itself. So all I need is just a piece of good cheese and maybe Georgian bread or your favorite bread. And for this salad, it's also lunch in itself because it has walnuts in it. So you can just need a piece of bread or a piece of khachapuri, Georgian cheese bread. That's all. Or you don't need anything. Just enjoy your salads. So if you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends. Please like, subscribe and comment. It's important for Tamada and me to know what you really like and what you want to know more about Georgian food and authentic Georgian recipes. Nachlamdis! Bye for now!